Hi, this is Forhad from Creative Logo Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to create a home logo for a company. First, you have to make a new page. Give the name Home Logo. Select Grid, or you can press Ctrl plus comma button. Then select Pen tool. Make sure you have selected Shape Mode and Fill with black color, and you have marked on Auto and Align Edge. Then select your point. Select your second point and after that select your third point and then fourth point, then the fifth. Go to Edit, Transform Path, or you can select Ctrl or Command T. Then go to Custom, select Flag, and then decrease your end amount to 30%. Press Ctrl plus T or Command T to get the actual shape. Save. Go to Pen tool, select Pen tool, make a bit zoom, then select your point, and then second point, press Alt plus left click of your mouse. Press Enter. Change the color of other shape. Select the Pen tool again. Make sure you have pointed into center of your shape. Press Alt plus left click of your mouse. Go to the third point. Press Alt plus left click of your mouse. And then just point it out. Give the name of your each shape and then go to shape 1 and press Ctrl or Command plus left click of your mouse. It will be selected. Go to select, make it as inverse or Shift Ctrl I. Go to the shape 3 and rasterize the layer. Then go to edit, cut or Ctrl X. Give the different color of your shape so that you can distinguish. Make it as pink color. Select Direct Selection tool to make the resize of all the shapes corner. Take rectangle. Change the color. Press Ctrl T or Command T, then press Ctrl plus left click of your mouse so that you can move to the right angle of the shape. Save the shape, copy the shape, pressing Ctrl, Alt and left click of your mouse, and take the second shape. Press Ctrl or Command T. Resize the two rectangles to make the home shape. Change the name of your second rectangle. Take the rectangle 1 over rectangle 2 so that you can make the actual shape of your home. Then decrease the opacity of rectangle 2. Select the direct tool to make the home shape. Make 4 rectangles and then change the name of those rectangles. And then name all the shapes name and resize all the things so that you can do the work easily. have named them as Home 1 and Home 2. Press Ctrl plus comma. Change the color, make the gradient all the shapes. Choose the color, which color you want. Make the good color so that people can like your logo. Give the shadow, select the brush tool, and you can decrease by pressing third bracket. You can change the color of the shadow. Go to blending option and color overlay. Choose the same color that you have given to your logo. Decrease the opacity of your shadow. Make the other one in a different color. In the same way. That's all, you are done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.